Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video is about we can say tutorial 00 because will learn how to install the WSL for Windows Linux. We can say Windows subsystem of Linux. So for that we have to go for the star, then start, then go type PowerShell and run is as a administrative. Yes, then type WSL hyphen install. It will take time. In middle of that, it will switch off the system. I mean, it will ask for restart your system. So don't worry about that. Okay, now it is installing the Windows subsystem of Linux. Yes, sometimes it takes times to install that. That I will just I'm making pause this video. Now it is installing the Ubuntu operating system. After this, your operating system has to be reinstalled. So enter refresher operation has been successful. Change will not effective until the system is reboot. So we will reach the reboot. So exit this and stop this.